In this short video, we're going to explore what is mindful art. I'm going to give you a brief definition, and I'm also going to tell you a bit more about my journey. Mindfulness can be defined as being present without judgment, and you might be familiar with guided meditations, with mindfulness meditations or body scan meditations, and those are very helpful because they help us be present and observe how we feel, how different parts of our body feel, and it just allows us to make peace with our emotions. But not everybody feels comfortable with guided meditation and sitting meditations. I find that many people might enjoy combining art or some sort of creative activity with mindfulness. So when I look back at my own experiences, whenever I was going through difficulties in my life, I was always attracted to painting. I was always going back to painting because it was naturally helping me to be present and process my emotions and my feelings. So whenever I was going through difficult time, I was allowing myself to spend some time on my own in silence and just being immersed in that creative activity, mostly painting. I was letting my hand to guide me, and while I was doing it, I realized that there's this beautiful space in my head that helps me process whatever was going through, helps me observe how I truly feel about things, whatever was going on at that time. And I do believe it's very useful. It could be a very useful practice for everybody, especially when you're looking for a time out, you're looking for some clarity in your life, or simply when you're looking for a way to relax and connect with yourself. So mindful art could be simply grabbing a piece of paper, pencils, pens, paint, whatever, and letting your hand guide you without looking for an outcome. Just allow that playfulness to happen, allow for curiosity. When we think of mindful art, I want you to remember how you felt as a small child when you were just happy to explore, when you were just happy to draw without thinking of being judged or without expecting something beautiful to appear on paper. Kids have that curiosity, they have that joy, they just love creating naturally, and then when we go to school, we start being judged, we start to compare ourselves to others, and we're losing that playful creativity. Mindful art is often an expressive art, so it often combines different techniques. You can create collages or draw, paint, write, all within one piece. And it's something truly personal. If you don't know where to start, you can have a look at my YouTube channel, Creativity for Wellbeing. There are some exercises there, some short 5-minute exercises, but you can also color. There are some free pages available to download. If you don't know where to start, it might be a good way. Just print it and color the way we colored playfully as kids. It's very relaxing and therapeutic. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button and consider subscribing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.